let me teach you how to reset your iPhone to your factory settings. So what you want to do here is look for settings, open it. I'm sorry about that. Well, anyway, once you open settings, I want you to look for Generals tab. It should be the one over here. It's this one. Let me click on that one for you. And once you're here, please scroll to the very bottom part. You should see transfer or reset iPhone. It's gonna be this one. Click on that one and you'll have two options once you're here. You're gonna have reset or erase all content and settings. Once you're here, let me explain this too very quickly. If I click erase all content and settings, it's gonna be the general reset for the phone. However, if you click on reset, you're gonna have a specific content erasement on your iPhone. It's not gonna be the general one. So the only difference is, if you click on this one, you're gonna have to choose, or you have the power to choose which part of your iPhone you want to erase. For example, here you can erase on network, you can erase on keyboard. I'm sorry about that. You can erase on home screen layout, and you can reset on location privacy. However, if you click on this one, the bottom part, it's gonna erase everything and reset your phone to the factory settings. So once you click on this one and then you click on reset all settings, it's gonna ask for your passcode. Once you click on this passcode, it should start resetting your iPhone, and you just need to wait for it. And once it's done, your iPhone is gonna be reset to your factory settings. And that's how you reset your iPhone to factory settings. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.